Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the footer color in the Shopify Dawn theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to navigate inside your Shopify admin and how to safely update the footer's background color by modifying the theme's CSS file. Begin by logging into your Shopify account so you're on the main admin home screen. This dashboard is the control center of your store and the place where we'll access the theme configuration. From the menu on the left, click Online Store. This will bring you to the section containing all of your themes. Under Online Store, select Themes. Your active theme will appear at the top of the list. If you're using the Dawn theme, that's perfect. This tutorial is specifically based on Dawn. If another theme is currently active, the general steps are similar, but some file names or styling classes may vary. To open the code editor, click the three dots next to your active Dawn theme and choose Edit Code. Before making any changes, here's a quick reminder. Editing code modifies how your published store appears. It's wise to move carefully and know how to undo changes if something doesn't look right. You'll only be adding a small, safe piece of CSS, but it still helps to be mindful. Inside the code editor, locate the Assets folder from the sidebar. Open it, then click on base.css. This is the primary style sheet, and this is where we'll add a quick custom rule. After the file loads, scroll all the way to the end so your custom code stays separate and easy to locate later. Paste your CSS at the bottom and replace the placeholder color with your chosen hex value. The instructions refer to hashtag your color code as the placeholder. Swap that with an actual hex code such as hashtag 111111 for dark gray or hashtag FFFFFF for white. Be sure the value begins with a hashtag. If the snippet is meant to change the footer background, updating that one hex code is all that's required. Placing your CSS at the bottom of base.css ensures that it overrides any earlier styling rules without conflict. Once you've added the snippet and changed the color value, click Save in the upper right corner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.